British High Court takes decision on Nnamdi Kanu's case. Hi guys, welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always having you here. May God bless you all. A High Court judge, Justice Swift, will give his decision regarding the judiciary review challenge against the Foreign Secretary brought on the behalf of the separatist leader Nnamdi Kanu. In writing at a late date, Politics Nigeria reports. Recall that the British Nigerian citizen Kanu, who is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, a prominent separatist movement proscribed by the Nigerian government, was adopted in Kenya in June 2021, being flown on a private plane to Nigeria. Kanu's family has accused successive United Kingdom, UK, the foreign secretaries, the first Liz Truss, then Dominic Raab, and now James Cleverly, of unlawfully failing to act despite clear and overwhelming evidence of extraordinary rendition, including a determination to that effect from the United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detention, and an admission by the Nigerian government that Kanu was transferred by Secretary Services without any warrant of arrest or extradition. At the Royal Court of Justice, London, on Tuesday, where Kanu's complaint was heard, James Hedale Casey, for the Foreign Secretary, said in written submissions that there had been and continued to be both considerable diplomatic engagement and secular assistance in Kanu's case. However, the IPOB leaders' camp objected and said the Foreign Secretary is not doing enough. Following Tuesday's session, the Judge Swift said he will consider whether the Foreign Secretary has acted lawfully to date in refusing to reach a firm view on Kanu's extradition rendition at a future date. Said. So guys, what's your take concerning this? The British High Court takes decision on Nnamdi Kanu's case. You know, right from the onset, I've been saying this, that I don't trust these people. Honestly speaking, I don't trust them. For me, I feel they know what is going on, and they know what happened to Nnamdi Kanu right from Kenya to Nigeria, because their silence is really worrisome. This man is a British citizen too. He was lawfully adopted from Kenya to Nigeria. Why are they not acting? They are telling us that the British High Commissioner visited Nnamdi Kanu in the DSS custody. Visited him to do what? He just went there to go and see his face. Is that what they are talking? That is not the problem here. This man, they kidnapped him from Kenya, come Nigeria. He not carry Nigerian passport. He was with British passport when he was kidnapped from Kenya to Nigeria. So what is making the UK government not to act? Because Nnamdi Kanu is their citizen. So you see, all of them are playing, these games together. The federal government of Nigeria is really doing a very good job. You understand? They know what they did, and that is why they kept quiet. But I love what is going on now. Say, person when not get who they stand for him. Now God, now they stand for him. Nnamdi Kanu's case right now does not even need them, because God have already given verdict. Even when UN said release this man unconditionally, you pay him compensation. Nigerian courts confirmed it too. So God is just before Nnamdi Kanu fighting this fight for him. So all this UK, UN, this and that, at this time, I think they just have to rest. Because at this particular time, they are not needed again. Kanu has already won this case. There is nowhere Nigerian government will take this case to that, they will be vindicated for what they do against this young man. You understand? So they should continue to play their games. God has already taken charge of this case. I always say this, that this man, God is just with him. Because when you look at the whole scenario, right from the very day his house was invaded in Umuahia, Afuruku Ibuku, in Abia State, when 28 persons were killed and all that, this man managed to escape. How did he escape? That is the problem. And that is the magic that is still surprising the Nigerian government to date. Kanu was actually in that house when they invaded, but they could not see him. He was whisked away by God. Today, Malami, they tell us, say, he jumped bail and all that. Well, like as I said, you don't have to put your hope on men because they will fail you. When you put your hope on God, God can never fail. That is just exactly what is going on in Nnamdi Kanu's case. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section.